Hi everyone, John here. Let's talk about bias lighting. So I got the new OLED TV that I have here, and I've been reading a lot about this eye strain that can be caused by watching TV in a dark room, and I ended up getting something that I researched. It's called bias lighting, and it's something that's supposed to give ambient light around your TV so you can go ahead and reduce the eye strain that your eye is continually looking at such a bright object like the television, which you'd think it's not supposed to work that way. Looking at the TV causes eye strain, but if you increase the light around it, you reduce eye strain. But putting a ring of light around the TV, why would that bright ring of light reduce eye strain? Well, the answer is it allows your eye to not focus in just on the bright TV. It lets your eye adjust gradually to the light coming from the TV, which gives you a much better experience. Plus, it looks really cool. Let's take a look. Okay, so right here, we're looking at the LG OLED 65 B7 with bias lighting. As you can see, the ring around the TV looks very prominent. And I did get the 157-inch string of lights, and it didn't go all the way around because I went around the exact perimeter of the TV, but I didn't need the bottom lit up because I do have lights on the bottom of the entertainment center. So I have LED strip on the bottom of the entertainment center, and it balances with the top. So I think it looks pretty good. Now, these lights are 6500K. What that means is it's as bright as you can get. It's white blue light. So it looks white in here, but it's the brightest LED that you can possibly get, which is what experts that are in the theater industry say you should use for bias lighting is 6500K. So if you're going to get this, make sure it's 6500K. Let's take a look at what it looks like here. I did buy this on Amazon. This particular light strip was actually $25. So it ranges from $14 up until $25. Now what's really neat is this strip has these lights spaced a few inches apart going all the way up and around the TV. Now I'm going to back up just a little bit. You can see how it was put around the back of the TV, which is super cool. I did go around the whole side. I used a credit card to kind of make sure I was straight because the TV was mounted when I put it in. What's amazing is you'll notice that when you're looking directly from the side, you do not see the bright LEDs shining in your eyes. So that is really important. They're cased and they're directional to the wall, which allows a really nice look. So you don't get a blinding white light that kind of looks artificial to the side. It almost looks like it's blended with the TV. So that's really cool. And this is kind of where I've ended. As you can see, I didn't put any on the bottom there. Now it plugs into your USB port. This is really cool because you can just go ahead and use any of your USB ports. As you can see, I've got it in there right now. I've got it in a lower USB 2 port. I did try it in a USB 3 up above. I did not have a problem. So really, really good on this. Now when you're watching television, I'm gonna switch to the TV and you're gonna see what it looks like with that. Amazing. Let's go to that. Okay, let's switch to television. Okay, I'm gonna change the channel. Let's go to something a little different content so we don't get flagged for anything. And let's go to YouTube or something. All right. Now I'm gonna also go ahead and switch the room totally black. Hey Google, lights out.
You got it. Turning off 4 lights.
Okay. So as you can see, I'm in a dark room. If I go right to the TV, you can see what that bias lighting looks like. I really think it's just so nice to watch it this way. And any way you look at it, you're getting a very, very good picture. And as you can see, that bias lighting does not show from the side. You do not get any of that bright light, any of those LEDs hitting you in the eye. So really good installation, I think. Kind of proud of myself for that. Anyway, so installation of this lighting is very easy. So it just comes in a roll. You just peel and stick it with 3M adhesive, and it's supposed to go ahead and prevent headaches and eye strain when you put this on. Okay, so this is what you're going to do when you install this. You're going to get it in a package, and it will just roll out in a roll. And you want to pre-measure where you want this to go. This will plug into any USB port in your TV. Once you get that, you're just gonna roll it out. You've got a 3M adhesive, will stick onto the back, no problem. And then you just go ahead and plug it in. I did notice some issues with it though. So what I'm seeing is when you shut the TV off, the light should go off because it's controlled by the USB power on your TV. Well, with this LG OLED, I don't know if I burnt out the port or not, but it never goes out anymore. So I think I have an issue there. Other than that, I think it works with most TVs, but you can run into this issue where it just won't shut off. And if you like it on all the time, great. If you don't, you might not want to install this. So like I said, a couple drawbacks with it is the fact that on my TV, when I installed the LEDs, I was not able to get it to shut off. It did work for a while. I shut the TV off, it would go off. The lights around the bias lighting would go off, but now it just stays on. So I might have maybe done some damage to that port. I don't know, but I have a few USB ports and they seem to work for a while and then get stuck into this on mode where it just doesn't shut off when I shut off the TV. That could be a problem for you, so if you're afraid of doing that to your TV, the worst that can happen is you're going to have the lights stay on all the time when the TV is off, and you might not like that. I don't like that preferably, but I do like the lights that are on the TV right now. I do like the bias lights, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep them on because I'm afraid of damaging the TV. Anyway, that's my report. I do these weekly, so please like and subscribe, tell your friends, and I will see you next time. Thanks.